Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The headline of my lecture is the nerve system. The nerve system is the physical connected network of cells, tissue and organ that allows to communicate with and react to the environment and perform life activities. For primary function of the neuron system: sensing the world, vision, hearing, smell, taste, touch, transmitting information, processing information, producing response. The function unit of the nerve system is the nerve cell, the neuron. They send electrochemical message around the body. Glial cell provide support and protective for neuron. Part of the neuron: nerve cell, dendritic, nucleus, cell body, axon, myelin, Schwann cell, node of Ramberg, axon terminal. Part of neuron cell: dendrites receive chemical signal from neighboring cell. Cell body contain the nucleus and organelles. Axon, long extension that carry electrical message away from the body to the terminal axon. Terminal axon passes the signal to the next cell. Myelin sheath, protective covering for the axon. Type of neuron: three types of neuron. Sensory neuron detect stimuli. Interneurons relay sensory signal to the brain, then return message back to the motor neurons. Motor neurons pass message from brain rest of the body for muscle response. This coordinated pathway is known as the reflex arch. This is a three type of muscle nervous cell. This is a three type of nerve cell: motor neuron, sensory neuron, and interneuron. Reflex arch. What's happened when you step on a nail? Reflexes are automatic. The stimulus nail is received by the sensory neurons in the foot. This information travels to the spine, where the interneuron is triggered. The interneuron transmits signal to the brain through the spinal cord and carry message back and stimulate the motor neuron to move the foot. Nerve impulse: a progressive wave of electric and chemical activity along a nerve fiber that stimulates or inhibits the action of the muscle, gland, or other nerve cell. This is how the information moves from the sensor nerve to the interneuron to motor nerve. Nerve system has two main divisions: central nerve system, CNS, brain, spinal cord, peripheral nerve system, PNS, all other nerve. Central nerve system, the two main divisions: receive, interprets, and sends signal to PNS. Has two main parts: brain, mind control center; spinal cord, connect and relays nerve impulse to the brain. peripheral nerve system (PNS) connects CNS to all organ system made up of sensory nerves, detect stimuli, motor nerve carry signal to stimulate response. Major subsystem: somatic, voluntary movement, balance movement; automatic, involuntary movement, digestion, fight or flight. Part of nerve system: central nervous system, brain, اللي cerebrum, cerebellum, brainstem and bones, lobes, وspinal cord information وسوبر highway. peripheral: automatic, sympathetic, fight or flight وparasympathetic relaxation. somatic, sensory and motor nerve ورeflex arch. This is an organ that controls parasympathetic and sympathetic. Light stimulate flow of saliva, slows heartbeat, constriction, bronchi, etc. And the sympathetic delays bubbles inhibit flow of saliva accelerate heartbeat, etc. The brain contains of the brainstem, bones, temporal lobe, frontal lobe, cerebrum, parietal lobe occipital lobe cerebellum. Cerebellum, smaller part of the brain toward the back. Function of it: coordinates all movement, help maintain posture, muscle control and balance. Large front part of the brain. Function: voluntary activity, memory, language, receives and responds to sensor signal, control motor function. The cortex, top layer of the brain, stories, experiences and or learning. The part of it contain frontal, behavior and emotion; parietal, sensory information concerning touch; occipital, vision; while temporary, memory and emotion, speech and hearing. Brain stem and bones. The brain stem, swelling. Function of it: swelling, coughing, sneezing and vomiting. Include the medulla oblongata. Damage in this area will usually kill you. Bones, breathing, heart rate, internal organ. Limbic system controls emotion and memories. Damage of this area can lead to amnesia or emotional disturbance. شكرا جزيلا لإصغائكم وتمنياتي لكم بالتوفيق ورعاية الله.